Alright, let's continue on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go, but first let's open up the USA Administrative Area 1 file. There we go. We've opened up the US Administrative Area 1 file. From here, let's first, let's just, there we go, hide it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the West Virginia here. There we go. Now do a right click on it, go to selection. From there, we're going to create layer from selected features. There we go. Our selected features has been done, so we're going to remove that. Now we have USA ADM section 1. We're going to rename it. Let's rename it to, let's say, West Ver. There we go. Apply. Okay. Now I'm just going to change the color of it. I'm going to make it hollow. There we go. Now let's open up our DEM file. There we go. We have the DEM file and we have the shape file here. So what we're going to do is we're going to conduct the clip. So this time this is going to be the clip for raster. So we can find the clip for raster in the data management tool. So we're going to go to data management tool. From there we're going to go to raster. From there we're going to go to raster processing. There you go, raster processing. From there we're going to go to this clip tool here. So do a double click on it. Here is the raster clip tool. So in the input raster, we're going to click on the IDW SHP7. There we go. And in the output extent, we're going to put in our West VIR, the West Virginia. What's the problem here? I don't know. Let's see. We're going to turn on the use input features for clipping geometry, and we're not going to change anything else here. And let it save wherever it wants to save, unless it's just going to lose its mind. Alright, let's click on OK and see if the clip works or not. And the clip, I have no idea if it worked or not. It seems like the clip worked. So we have the, right now we have made a raster file for West Virginia. Okay, so this is the entire process of how you can make an elevation model raster file using Google Earth Pro and our ArcGIS or our ArcMap software. Alright, now if you look at the raster file, you'll see it has the high and low values as the raster file we worked on the very first video of this section. Alright, so that would mean that our work is we can say that our work is pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just uncheck the West VIR shapefile, so we just have the raster file open here. So we have made the raster file. Now what we can do is we can do a right click on it. We can go to properties, we can go to symbology. There we go. Where's symbology? There we go. We have the symbology. From there we can go to classified, and we can then classify it into different classes. Okay, and then we can just like the last time we did it. So let's keep it at 5 classes. We can change the color ramp. You always use the rainbow color ramp. I call it rainbow color ramp. I don't know why I do that. Anyway, let's click on apply and click on OK. There we go. So we have the rainbow color ramp available on the raster file that represents the elevation of West Virginia here. Okay, now again, I do not like the white color, so we're going to change it to red again. There you go, red. Click on OK. There we go. That's the color for it. Alright, so I hope from these videos you got to learn how you can make your very own raster file using Google Earth Pro and that additional website, and then our ArcMap. Okay, so that is how you can make it using these things. There are also various websites from where you can download the raster files. You do not need to make them yourself. You can download the raster files from various websites as well. Okay, so but this is the process of making the raster file. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you got to learn something new. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.